Let's compare common table expression with derived table. Here are the features common to both. Both a common table expression and a derived table are defined by a subquery. We use them to create a virtual table. The virtual table is just like any other table. It must have a table name. We use a common table expression or a derived table for creating a temporary data set in implementing our programming logic, especially when we have more complex programming logic. Keep in mind, both the common table expression and the derived table exist in memory only. They are in scope only when the code in which they are defined is running. They are not persisted in the database. Here are the differences between them. If we use common table expressions in our code may be more streamlined and efficient. Our code is also more readable. If we have a very complex business logic to implement, then derived tables may give us more flexibility in nesting code. If we want to do the recursive processing, we must use a common table expression. The recursive processing is commonly used for processing graph data. In other words, for graph traversal. Let's look at some examples. In the first example, we have a very simple derived table. The table name is plot. In the second example, we have a very simple common table expression. The table name is also plot. They are defined by the same subquery. In this set of examples, first, we use a derived table. The table name is temp. Next, we use a common table expression. The table name is also temp. These two examples do the same thing. We can see if we use a common table expression, our code is more readable. Also, keep in mind, in our code, we can use a combination of common table expressions and derived tables. This is the end of our discussion.